is day 62 of learning how to mod rimworld. I do have some experience. Obviously, what I know from a STEM perspective, graphic design perspective, etc. Like a pawn with double passion and some skill. And I'm sharing every bit of the journey of me making the mod. Technically expansion pack by the time it gets done because of how big it is, because it's full overhaul. But I'm giving you my entire process. Day 62, where I'm currently sitting. The fact that I have some assets that are not able to be redistributed keeps drawing my attention to wanting to do the asset creation versus just focusing on the coding, and I'm struggling between those 2 points. So if you find yourself struggling between those 2 points, remember the fact that the coding, the way that it works to make sure that it functions, is going to be the whole idea. You can replace the assets before you ship, but you need to finalize. So that's what I'm reminding myself right now is, yes, while I'm using some assets that are coming from mods that have copyrights that are non-commercial and non-derivative works, as long as they are personal use, not redistributed in any kind of way, then I can still use them as a teaching form to show you how I'm creating the mod that I'm working on at the scale that I'm working on it, how I'm organizing this project as a single person trying to basically do an entire full overhaul. Yeah. So ideally, what the fuck you're getting, actually, is just me sitting here wanting to play RimWorld in a very particular way, deciding that I'm going to make the mod of my own dreams, so that way I can play it exactly as I want to play it, show you how I'm doing it in case you want to do the same thing, and then showing you gameplay of me playing the mod that I made, and if you enjoy it, then you go and get it and tell me if you like it or not. So, yeah, is this going to take me some time? Sure, absolutely, it's going to take time, but that's why you get to see the build-up. How long is it going to take me to make this amazing-ass mod? That is the question. How long is it going to take? I don't know. You don't know. I don't have a timetable. I know it's going to take longer than I'm originally anticipating just because I know I'm going to come into issues. And I also know that selfishly, I'm not going to worry about if it's compatible with everybody else's mod because of how much it's going to be including in my own, because that's the whole point. It's only going to need to be compatible with the mods that I use. And then I'll worry about expanding it potentially. But ideally, in the beginning, no. The mod is going to be meant to be played with only the mods that it says that it's dependent on. Otherwise, if you add extra shit, you add extra shit. And if it causes complications, well, then you're going to have to let me know. And then maybe I can work on it and fix it, depending on what it is. I don't know. Because I'm probably not going to use that mod. And I only have Ideology as a DLC. And I'm not really worried about making it compatible with the other DLCs either. Because I'm thinking about the people who just can only afford the game itself. Vanilla, core. And making it fucking just blow your mind. Whole new world.